Once a thirsty crow. Once upon a time, a crow was flying here and there for the searching of water. It was a hot summer day.
Oh my god, it is very hot and I'm very thirsty. There is no water. Where? I have been searching a lot of, but water is not finding.
Suddenly he saw a bowl of water. He was happy. Oh, thank of Allah, there is a water. But it was the little bit, not more. Then he was picking one by one the piece of stone, and the water comes up. Then Crow drank water, and he flew toward his destination. In the end, we should keep water in our houses, galleries, and the roofs. We should keep pots of water because we don't know the which bird is thirsty or which is not.